Hello and welcome to a brief video running through the Becketts client agreement. We are all too aware that there is a huge amount of jargon and paperwork in financial planning and wealth management, and so we wanted to run through our client agreement with you to just provide an overview and pull out some of the main points. The first being that we are regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, and all firms regulated by the authority have an individual reference number. Ours is 409051. By being regulated by the FCA, it means that retail clients are eligible for claims under the Financial Services Compensation Scheme and have access to the Financial Ombudsman Service should you have rise for a complaint. These are really important protections that our clients are afforded by working with us as a regulated firm. Ultimately, we provide advice on investments, pensions, non-investment based insurance products, but as a business, we focus on holistic financial planning and look at your wider financial picture. We are not tied to any company. We are a completely independent advice firm, and so we can look at all of the products and services that are out there in the market and make sure the most suitable are advised for you. We ultimately also operate under the Financial Services and Market Act 2000. Ultimately, we provide advice based on the information that you provide us. So when working within your financial planner and an advisory service, it's really important to provide as much information as possible so we can have the clearer picture and provide the most suitable advice. When we look at the different products and services that are available, as I've mentioned, we review the entire market and then we will ensure that only the most suitable ones are recommended to you. We will communicate in English. We also provide video reviews of financial plans. We provide PowerPoint-based presentations as well as written reports and meetings face-to-face and over Zoom or Teams. So whichever medium and media you prefer your reporting in, please let us know and we'll aim to provide it in that way. Paying for our services will be completed on both an initial and an ongoing basis, dependent on the type of ongoing service or services you require. We will provide an overview of all costs at all stages, and we have a separate charges document that is provided to clients prior to any engagement with us that can run through this. Ultimately, we will either invoice you directly, we may invoice you via the product, take fees from whatever product or service that is being purchased. Sometimes that can have tax advantages, or we will look at a combination of the two. If for any reason there is insurance products taken out, this is the only area in financial planning where there is still a commission paid. And for certain additional services such as assisting with tax, reporting or advice, there may be additional fees payable, and these will be confirmed to you prior to any charges incurred. We don't hold any client money, and this is another way to protect our clients. Ultimately, we advise on products and services, and the money would be held with the custodians of those products and services, and the only fees or monies that would ever come to Becketts would be our fees. If for any reason there'll be a conflict of interest, we will let you know immediately, and we can run through any of those at your request or as part of our ongoing suitability. If you want to leave Becketts, we've made it extremely clear. You can leave us with no cost to yourself. We will even provide any guidance or administration services in transferring you away to another service provider. We've actively set up a structure that supports this, as we want our clients to be comfortable and know that they can leave at any point in time. If you're not happy with our service, the first person to contact is Lorraine McLaughlin, and her details are on this page, and then there's some further details about the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. Finally, we're going to look after your data as if it is our own. We take data protection incredibly seriously, and there's a significant amount of detail on this page about that. We are Cyber Essentials accredited, and we focus very much on ensuring our clients' data is protected as much as possible. There's further details in terms of breaking down the different investment services and charges on this page, and then we would lead to a declaration of client consent. This is where you would agree to the types of services that we will provide for you. We will sign this document alongside yourself, and that can then feed into the fee agreement and the confirmation of fees charged. Hopefully that's a brief overview of the client agreement. As ever, if you have any questions at all, please reach out to us at info@beckettsfs.co.uk or call us on 01253 881 910. Thank you.